Hey guys, girls. For those of you who have not yet got your bear bag hanging kit yet, or if you are got one and you're not sure of it, we'll take a look at the Liberty Mountain. These are pretty cheap on Amazon, so I picked up a couple because I'll have a couple of food bags, as well as a trash bag that I'll be hanging. So that's the Liberty Mountain. This is a 500D Cordura. This stuff's pretty good. Military seems to like this stuff quite a bit. Many backpack makers will use the same thing. Pretty good pretty good size. I can put my whole hand in there without any problems. The cord in here, as you can see here, is tied off. So if you prefer a different type of cord, you can just simply untie that, add your cordage. It's got a moisture barrier kind of in here as well. So this comes with 3 carabiners and just your sliding barrel lock. This is 60 feet of what they call paraline. That's supposed to have a tensile strength at 600 pounds. So not too bad. Pretty simple stuff. Packs down really small. Everything sits back down in here. And you can go ahead and attach it to your bear bag or outside your pack, whatever you'd like to do. About $22, $23 on Amazon. It's only 4.8 ounces. It's not a bad deal. Pretty simple. And later on this month, we'll start going over how to hang your bear bags. And you guys can start practicing that as well.